Say by the time I'm fucking, I'm on the fly.
Good with every race I done been in with purchase.
No, it's Jordan. Hey. It's Jordan.
One time I done south from night show. I like my little one was 6 white toes. Next up we want to go.
Awusibuyela kulana besibuka ngokuya.
Yahleka mna. Jika indlela sayisa. Ukulonga le?
Yeah, bro.
For real?
Yeah.
Zini mics?
Khona i-mics. Kaloku i-mics better like xa ndishaya i-interview ngazo, yabo.
Ne, iyavakala ivoice xa inje.
Yeah, iyavakala kakuhle. La kaloku like yabona xa u-editha kula weza ku-CapCut. Like one thing like sabantu abangayinotice you like i-voices like xa uzilawezayo. Xa u-upload xa u-edithayo like xa uzifakayo ilaweza phaa ii-videos like sepha ku-CapCut kufuneka uzinyuse ilaweza zakhona.
I-settings.
Yeah, like i-volume. Yeah, uyinyuse. Abanye abantu abayinyusi lawo, that's why say zabo zisana lezantsi. Bembukele enye i-vlog kaGugu latshare kaGhost. Ubona latshare kaGhost man. Ake latshare kaGhost Gugu. Intsha.
Le intsha yo.
Yeah.
Uyamlandela. Oh, le intsha is crazy. Le
Yeah,
intsha
exactly. Labona like ixesha elininzi ndispend lapha kwezawezi ka-YouTube bone.
getting lessons there.
Yeah. Bone.
I get you, man. That's a good thing to do.
So bone kusendilaweza phaa kwezawezi.
Oh, no, it's not a bad thing.
Yeah. I think lapha.
Oh, thanks. Thanks a lot. That's helpful. Yeah, I saw that figure. What's going on, chat? Except, please follow my everything that we do. You know what I'm saying? We're trying to cook something. I'm fully in it right now, as you can see, chat. This is I'm messing in now. You know what I'm saying? Please work with us. You know what I'm saying, chat? W's in a fucking building, man. Let's go.
Hustle and get this cash. I got an influence from here to the motherland. I can't do nothing foolish, all foolery out the plans. You're one of the coolest and true to who I am. Today I did good. I ain't been eating no bullshit and fitness.
No cap.
Tutabela. Awe.
Uzithathu ulaweza ke na robo. Eh.
Ama ndithi nje fethu nje.
Okay.
Sithelisa.
Kamenza muhla ngama leyo. Save that. Akubandi mosapha pura yam. Pura. Pura. Ya nyungi.
Na ino bamba kitana pakum.
Yenze space ukuhlala so. Uyayibona le ngisho.
Ne.
So ikhamera kajonga so.
I think it's our grand na so.
Yebo.
Hayi grand suyisusa le ndawo. Suyisusa na ngabe.
Cause ibhedi ngake phela.
So set up le ndawo.
Phela ibhedi.
Uzophatheka kulena hapa ne.
Yabo. Cha into ezawuyenza is to manage abantu abakhoyo ngaphakathi at a time.
Okay.
Then maybe amajita azawubehlala ngapha manje sibabiza one by one.
Cool.
Then the proper people will be inside so ngaphakathi thina.
Yeah.
Then simane sicosha one by one by itself. Okay. Nah. It's fine. Yeah, usibana na. Usibana na. Oh, ile dia transfer fund ba excellent way. Okay.
Tomolo ko bosi.
Bamsana.
Bamsana bosi.
Okay, first.
Yazi nalo.
Okay, then the expected ibe ngaka.
Yena. Ingani?
Bekulelani.
Yeah.
Yeah, isani ngakhulu ya.
Awuncinci kakhulu phela. Simba. Yo. Yemfethu. Yo. Anisela ibhiya bafethu.
Pendule so too. Siyayisela,
Sayisela pura.
Lena ne?
Yo ni grand. Okay. Una sis okay, ibile yakho na tam.
Pura. Manjonge manikhuphi ibroke pha first ezophinda ngayo yabo.
Ibroke ne?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Khona ibroke benize nayo because uthe kodwa uthe ngewedi bene pende mqoma manibambe yiwini.
Uniphethe lapha kumnyama bepho.
Ngifuna.
When's the intro?
Na so.
Oh, uzoyenza after.
Yeah, so.
W stream already. I feel like we're gonna have a good one tonight.
No cap.
No cat, no keysy. Gonna have a fucking good one tonight, bro. For real. No lie. I'm telling you.
It's gonna be late.
It's gonna be late. And it be late. It's gonna be a dope one tonight, I swear. This is how we do Kashi Town, baby. This is the real ghetto, you know what I'm saying?
TWC with a government, these are new elections. Yeah.
Kashi Town to the world. What's up, gang? Go crazy, boy.
This next check. I was in the 97 bomb with the windows tinted. Had a bomb, got the cap in the party. Who the fuck like this in the party? Mama had to get it for the coke that we rolled at the school on the way to Popeyes. And niggas wanna play both sides. It's a red dot, don't know I'm rolling high. It's a red dot, run the curve, move them guys. Fuck around and marry two of them guys. I'm money in fast, I thought that I told you I need the advance. Put down your IG and run on my last. A million to grandma, who did I offend? You gather your dreams to millions they fan. I need it to million and did ain't no dance. I'm fucking the world, I hands in my pants. My Uncle G told me that I had a chance. So then I popped out and did it again. And did it again, and did it again. I cannot respect them, I did it again.
Mali ni pisi yako pura ya. Bye friend.
Away chick.
Hawu kawuze sihlamba ngalo mlungu wami. Yazuthi nangothi jayeka wechizi. Asihlambela lo yindlela.
Push business. Push business. Sorry, poison.
Really, ayenzi into bayithetha ngomthamo wayo.
Ingayi.
Even though ithetha ngomthamo wayo ayizingeni.
Bayibuthe ngapha ngapha.
No, ngena mna main. Enjoy it. I need it to be very special because Kwamfula is a very special place, chat. You know what I'm saying? Because Nikule up, after so many years, it's great, man, to come and give back to my community ngendlela and Kwazinga. You know what I'm saying? Although I don't want to claim Lendau as my home or whatever, you know what I'm saying? But Lendau and Kuleko, akhona ngayazi apha Emfuleni. Ibirthday lisakhiwa ndila apha, you know what I'm saying? So apha emva kwam, chat, if you can see, there's a house ekuthiwa kuse 9234. If I would ever make music, chat, the name of the album would be that because this house right here, it made me who I am. Remember this strat nandlala amajita nebhola like crazy. The house across, like nothing has changed much. It reminds me of back when, you know what I'm saying? So chat, kuse Kumangu Street, chat up. Kumangu Street, I have a lot of memories here as a child. But it's good to be back. Except in ways, trans yami lapha emva kwami i-out yami ikhona nalapha but ayifuna uvela nansi selibhiya We don't have the except got the season, you know what I'm saying? So it's good to be back here, man, But one day when I come back here again, I have my own car right now. It's proper car, you know what I'm saying? But I wanna come back with the Urus. Mark my words, Chad. Mark my fucking words. There ain't no easy way. This is the only way. W stream, W's in the chat. This is your boy Extra, etc. etc. This is Mfuleni, man. You know what I'm saying? Enjoy the vlog. Please make sure you watch it with your grandmother. Let's go. Andizuniveza. Danifunda. Nini ayifuna? Yo. Already get Mr. Box and get 1,000.
Yeah, 1,000, 5,000.
Yeah. Okay, now definitely picture as well. Okay, yeah, chat is I think that this is where I used to go to primary, but back then it was containers and the ngolila the bona in. Yeah, now when I used to school here, as container chat. Ngoku it's a high story. Into nje phambi neyo, you know what I'm saying? It's an excel. It's primary school. Imagine a primary school like that. Except whoever has worked towards this has worked very hard. Otherwise, this is my primary chat. So I'm saying okay, high school yeah. W stream. Let's go. My studies are forward in position.
Cruising, my new shading, fed to my mistakes in Tani. Tabazam Yandis, why is it a party? I don't trust nobody. I don't trust nobody. But in streets in Yanni. We are backing up the Zanganame. Abafu with some abaname. And then they know what you want. And the Konica Sozilale, Umkanga to Pants and Manutase, the Windows Supine, Ubaka, Basso Tetunga, Ubanake, Galete Punisima Wetini, Umas Comberishi Sobabini, Auno Lens and Fetty, Nobagnini, Pin and Calipota Caranini, Galete Punisima Wetini, Dijan and the New Mintini, iPhone Plus for the black and gold born in Sini, black and gold born in Sini, Kulena Machita, Taiki, being here, my waiting and thinking, being here, my waiting and Diwi, being here, my waiting and thinking, being here, my waiting and Diwi, I'm here, my waiting and knitting, prepared, nobody in Impi, why you acting pretty, why you beat me, I can never get enough of bitches, bitch niggas, they don't wanna see me, proceed, killing all my limits, make it ugly, Dikian and Dindi, Utimba City, this glitch sauce and then a city, Still my quality soon the Kalika. Shut up.
Ndishidi ndisandoyithenga ngokuyibona uba iyandisebenze because khona ezinye bendizithenga ngoba okay ndisebenzile but
my point wasn't that.
Okay.
My point was hey kokuphi ukusurvive cha ungathi ubhubhe xa unosebenzisa 20 rand ukusurvive uthetha ngapha
ndisebenzisa 20 rand ayamalothenga.
You telling me 20 rand A1 irolo izokulasta inyanga yonke?
Sajoma ndiyibeka sajoma ndiyithetha ngaloo ndlela ke indlela ayibeka ngayo sisi yena lowa.
Ngcono ngasurvive mama. Live in kwapha Ungakusurvive wena ungasurvive abantu abasecango kwakho. Cause yasibulala thina eTexini. Ayikho selfish kanjani.
Ucikelela yedwa.
Sasho okay abelungu ababangena ngegawuni lakhe kwimoto.
Abelungu banuki makhwapha belungu bra.
Uhlala belungu wena. Abahlambi but wena uthi abanuki makhwapha.
Abo bra bakamva umlungu nokuyikhwapha. P
apho bengisebenza khona qala bengisebenza Somerset.
Sure.
Pha.
Yeah.
Abahlambi.
Athi wena sana.
Bangena ngegawuni bona ba okay uyavuka lo.
Okay, man, bengihlaba nje ikhondeni encane because
Cooked.
these niggas are wanting the link.
Cooked.
What's up now?
What's up, gang? Access to some fully right now. The cat is the corner. The biggest diamond behind me. And then, like say, wonke umuntu uzazintroduce, you know what I'm saying? Uzobona, kuzaba late.
Wait, tight. Yo, Zekho up in this.
Introduce you in and out.
Zekho up in this.
Who's doing that? Who did that?
Production.
Yeah.